Hey guys, Beardy, Larry, and Kay here. Welcome to Mantelligence.
I was going through our old videos and came across our video about the signs a girl wants you to talk to her. So it really got me thinking, you guys know the signs that a girl wants to be approached, but do you know the signs that she actually likes you already?
That's why in today's video, we're going to show you 10 weird but obvious things girls do when they like you. With this video, you'll definitely have an idea how to know if a girl likes you.
There are just some things girls do that give away our feelings right away. We just can't help it. Now, some things that we do are a little weird, so you might not get them. That's what this video is for. And since we want you to really understand these signs, we'll also tell you the number one sign that a girl is not that into you.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's start. Number 10. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Are you aware that one of the signs that a girl likes you is that she always wants to talk to you? And there are a lot of signs she wants you to talk to her. One of those is that she initiates texts. If you notice that you keep receiving texts from a girl, then that's one way of how to tell if she likes you.
When a girl can't stop texting you, it just means she likes talking to you and will make up any excuse just to do so. It might seem weird, especially when what the two you were talking about seems so random and doesn't make sense anymore. It's just that they will come up with anything at all just to text you.
Since we're on the topic of talking and texting, do you want to know the signs that a girl wants you to approach her? Check out this video to find out more.
Number 9. Looking good, girl. Did you ever notice that when your crush is always around you, she just never fails to look good? Whether you're out for some casual fun or even just hanging out inside, she just seems like she's always made up. Well, that's one way on how to know if your crush likes you.
It's one of those things girls do when they like you. They always make it a point to look their best. It'll seem weird because even when you're inside, she looks made up. You might even start thinking that she goes to sleep looking all fresh and made up. It's funny because this weird thing we girls do is so obvious. We do this because we want our crush to notice us. We want to stand out and make sure that we're beautiful enough.
Number 8. You're everywhere to me. The item before this, we said that every time you see a girl, she's made up. Now, did you ever notice how she's always around? It's so weird, but you see that she happens to always bump into you? Well, my man, congratulations. She likes you and she will always be around.
When a woman likes a guy, she'll do everything in her power to bump into him. Yes, it's weird. It's gonna feel like she follows you around. She's really not stalking you. She just makes it a point to know where you are or where you might be so that she can find a way to bump into you and spend time with you. It's just her way of saying that she enjoys being around you.
Number 7, the look. Have you ever locked eyes with a girl and it was for just too long? You thought for sure she was going to approach you and say something, but she keeps looking. And I just call that the look.
Well, there's an explanation for that. We look at you like that because, well, we do want to approach, but there's just too many things going on in our minds that we end up not coming up to you.
When women stare at you guys, there's already a lot of things going on in her mind about how and when she'll approach you that she ends up not approaching you because she feels like she already missed the chance. Hence, she stares at you. Maybe one way on how to get a girl to like you is by approaching her since you see her look at you like she's going to approach you. She won't have to second guess herself and you'll both be able to talk to each other. Number 6, that's so funny.
Ever encountered a girl that just laughs at everything you say? You then feel like you're the funniest man on earth. I'm not saying that's not true, but she may just be laughing so much because that's one of the signs a girl's flirting with you. It's one of those things girls do when they like you. They laugh endlessly. They won't miss a chance to make you feel like a comedy king.
Also, one good way on how to get a girl to like you, just make her laugh. And if she laughs like there's no tomorrow, you've hit the jackpot right there, buddy. Now, if you want to know more signs that a girl likes you and is flirting with you, check out this video. Number 5. Code 0, over. Did you ever overhear when girls talk to each other? You might have heard some crazy names like Hot Dave or Crazy Ray, or even ones like Red Shirt or Coffee Boy. Yes, it's hard to keep up with all the code names.
But chances are, if you have a code name, then the girl likes you. She uses this code name so that she can freely talk about you whenever she's with her friends. We do this because sometimes we just have those very embarrassing confessions that we don't want anyone to understand. Hey, we're just taking a quick break to say that we hope you're smiling so far because you've noticed the things we've mentioned.
We also want to remind you that at the end of this video, we'll tell you the one sign that she's not into you. Stay tuned for that. Now, let's get back to our items. Number 4, twinning. Does she suddenly like all the same things you do? Does she listen to the same kind of music? Does she suddenly love your favorite sports team? Did you see her at your favorite bar? If a girl does all of these things, then the answer to your question, does she like me, is yes. There's no need to think hard about it. This is one of the weirdest but most obvious things girls do. They will mimic everything about you. This is what we call affiliative mimicry. If a person tends to mimic what you like and your movements, then you can be assured that you're in the very likable zone for them. Number 3. Knight in shining armor.
If you want to know if she's attracted to you, then just observe if she seems to always ask for your help or advice. If she finds a way to always ask you for advice, even out of the blue, it means she's trying to find ways to get to talk to you. Sometimes she'll even come up with things to ask you, even if it's common sense already. It's weird because it seems like suddenly she doesn't know what to do with anything. But take it as a good thing.
Kay's right. It just means she'll do anything just to talk to you and spend time with you. So you might be wondering, how can you text her? Just check out this video with the 14 rules to text a girl you like. Number 2, you gotta get with my friends.
If you want to know how to get your crush to like you, then you should be friends with her friends first. Trust me, that's like a shortcut. You'll know so much from her friends.
Exactly. Now, if you notice that her friends are super friendly to you, or if they seem to know more about you than you tell them, let me just confirm that. Yes, she talks about you with her friends. And not only that, if they're friendly towards you, it just means she's saying nice things about you to her friends.
Which means she likes you. Nothing more obvious than that.
Number 1, you raise me up. When you talk to a girl and everything you tell her seems to amaze her, you've got her. She likes you all right.
It's really weird, especially if you think that you're just some guy in the crowd. However, if a girl really likes you, she'll put you on some kind of pedestal. It's like you're the most accomplished person on the planet.
You will feel good and you won't have to have any doubt in your mind that she likes you for the way you are. Sure, it can be weird, but it's nice to know that someone thinks so highly of you. And we're here. We're at the end of the video, and as we told you earlier, we're going to tell you the number 1 sign that a girl isn't so into you.
It's important to know this sign so that when you see it, you'll anticipate what happens and you'll know what to do. Every girl is different, so that means how they show that they're not into someone is very subjective. But there's one thing that we collectively do.
Gentlemen, when a girl takes her time responding to you, she might not be into you.
Sure, she could be busy and have her own life, but girls make it a point to respond right away to a guy they like. If a girl takes more than a day to respond to you, she might not be into you as much as you think. Maybe you're just not the right person for each other.
Do you know any more weird but obvious things girls do when they like you? We'd appreciate you writing it in the comments below.
You now know the things girls do when they're helplessly crushing on you. It's time that you also learn about the signs a girl wants you to approach her. Don't even think about missing out on it. Just check out this video where we detail the 5 sure signs that will even help you know when to approach a girl.